Dear students, NEET JEE 2026 focus. The pair of ions having same electronic configuration. The pair of ions having same electronic configuration. Cr plus 3 Fe plus 3, Fe plus 3 Mn plus 2, Fe plus 3 Co plus 3, Sc3 plus Cr3 plus. So, before you are going to write electronic configuration, you are supposed to know the atomic number of the respected elements. You know, chromium atomic number 24, Cr3 plus means 21 electrons are available. Okay, remove 3 electrons. Cr3 plus means chromium 24 electrons. If you remove 3 electrons, we have 21 electrons in chromium. Fe atomic number 26, remove 3 electrons, we have 23 electrons. Cobalt atomic number 27, remove 3 electrons, we have 24 electrons. Okay. Scandium 21 atomic number, remove Sc3 plus, remove 3 electrons, we have 18 electrons. Manganese 25, Mn plus 2 means remove 2 electrons, we have 23 electrons. You see, 23 electrons, here also 23 electrons. Fe3 plus Mn plus 2. Fe3 plus Mn plus 2 is the right answer, because this possesses 23 electrons, Mn plus 2 also 23 electrons. If they possess same number of electrons, automatically they must contain same electronic configuration. B is the right answer. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe.